You know what? It's so easy. I'm not even putting my hair up.
I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky.
Thanks for checking out channel D6 Spanky. Today we're going to remove a blower motor out of a 2007 Honda Civic. So what happens is the AC or whatever, or heat will be running fine, and then all of a sudden it doesn't blow like it should. So it's really simple. So let's get to that. Okay, so under here there's a black panel that should be covering all this, and you just grab on and then just pull it straight out. It's sitting over there, and it's bright sunlight. Alright, take care of it. So then the blower motor is just right here. Easy peasy. So what we're going to do is we're going to, first we just unplug the blower motor. Here's the thing, oh there it is, sideways. Alright, and then there's just 3 screws to take out. There's 1, 2, and the 3rd one in the back right there. That is really it. Alright, so it is the Torx T25 to get this fan off. And I'll show you the bolts. If you just have a flathead screwdriver, that'll work too. But this isn't going to do it for you.
Here's a close-up on that screw, as promised. It is a Torx 25, but you can also use a flathead screwdriver. And most likely you can use a socket, as the sides are faceted. Isn't it pretty? It's like a diamond.
Alright. It'll just pop right out there. So the only thing I see with this blower motor is that this seems unnecessarily rusted. Oh, you know what? Look at this. If you can't, can you see that? I think the light is actually helping us a little bit here. There's metal all over. But it's just the rust coming off, so that's not good. Right, so here's the old part. And here's the new. Notice the tips are different. Granted, this one's OEM. That's original to the car. But I'm wondering if they changed it because they're having a problem. Okay, so now we're going to put this back in. Just put it through the loops here in the back. And it's good.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Spanky and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Spanky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/D6Spanky. Thanks again for watching. Let's go learn something.